Hello once again. This is Tony Williams with another video on Autodesk Fusion 360. Today I want to show you how to make a Revolve part. How to use Revolve in Autodesk Fusion 360. Let's go to the computer. Alright, these are the before parts we did in our last video. I want to create a new design. So over here you have a new design tab right here. Or you can simply go over here, click down, click the drop down arrow, go on new design. So there you go. So as before, we'll create a sketch. I go from my top plane. Right now I'm gonna go into line and I'm just gonna freehand draw something. I'm gonna freehand draw it just to show you how simple this can be. All right, so I already have my snap activated to snap into the grid lines, so I'll start right about around here. Give me some drawing. Every time you click while you're in line, you could just move around. I'll come down to equal up to about that line here and come on around. All right, so again, while we're doing the revolve pattern, we have to have a center point in which we want to revolve the part. Okay, so what I'm going to do, and I'm going to create a construction line. Okay, so boom, boom. All right, enter. Oh well, control Z. So we have our construction line right here. Okay, so now we're gonna finish sketch. All right, so you have your part right here, your sketch. Then you have your construction line. This is gonna be your axis. Okay, your revolving axis, let me say. So over here, this is your revolve tool. Okay, simply click. It's gonna ask you to select the axis. Here we go, right here, and you see, boom, simply got your part. Alrighty, that will conclude today's video. I appreciate you tuning in, and like, subscribe, share, do what you can for me. Everything is appreciated. Alright.